Tiniyak naman ng palasyo ang patas na pagtrato ng batas kaugnay ng umano'y sabwatan ng mga mayayamang pamilya na kasosyo sa Malampaya Power Plant at iba pang planta para maitaas ang bayad sa kuryente. Ayon kay PCOO Secretary Sandy Coloma, walang nasa ibabaw ng batas. Sinabi rin ng kalihim na kumikilos na ang gobyerno para maibsan ang pasanin ng taong bayan dahil sa scheduled shutdown ng Malampaya Power Plant. Dagdag pa na opisyal, nakikipagtulungan na ang Department of Energy sa Energy Regulatory Commission ukol sa naturang usapin. Nagbigay rin ng direktiba ang DOE sa ERC upang alamin ang outages ng ilang power plants habang nasa maintenance shutdown ang Malampaya Power Plant.
The government's foremost concern is the people's burden on the imposition of power rate adjustments brought about by the Malampaya shutdown. The Department of Energy is working with the Energy Regulatory Commission to address this concern. The ERC adopted the approach of the DOE for a staggered implementation of the adjustment in 3 tranches. Other options for easing the consumer's burden are being studied, including tighter monitoring of the schedule of shutdowns of power generation. In this regard, the DOE has instructed the ERC to look into the outages in several power plants that occurred while the Malampaya repairs were taking place. Under the EPIRA law, both DOE and ERC are mandated to ascertain that power rate adjustments are not driven by anti-competitive or market abuse practices.